Well, Cheryl, Chicago police detectives say that new task force and new website just as good or only as good as the community that supports it. So tonight, the new site will allow people to view and send videos, but police say the hope is that the public will use it to help investigators.
Well, this was just an attack in our city, and we really need everyone's help to identify these offenders.
Chicago police released new surveillance video in connection with this week's looting and unrest. In this clip, 3 suspected looters are seen trying to break into an ATM near 800 North State Street.
As you can see by this one video, that guy's sticking his face in his own phone, his own camera.
And this new surveillance video from a sunglass hut on the 900 block of North Michigan, showing 2 males, one suspected of breaking in and both seen taking items from the store.
Camera footage is only valuable when our officers and detectives can identify the individuals caught on camera committing the crime. We need everyone's help to do this.
Both videos have since been posted to CPD's new website, chicagopolice.org, for the public to view, post, and ID possible offenders in this week's looting.
Looking at these videos, someone surely knows the offenders that are causing this destruction. So please help us bring these criminals to justice.
The calls for community help come after Mayor Lori Lightfoot did an interview with Time magazine talking about the investigation and also calling for unity in the city, saying in part, "We won't survive this moment. We will not thrive. We will not move beyond, get stronger and better if we don't unite." As for the website, detectives are also asking any impacted business owners to use it and share their surveillance video in hopes that it also can help this ongoing investigation.